Welcome to Artificial Professor. And in this video I will explain how to set open to work on LinkedIn to recruiters only. So let's move to the process. First of all, tap on your LinkedIn profile icon. And here is your profile page. So from here, you see the option, Open to, tap on this one. And here is the option Hiring, Providing Services, and Finding a New Job. If you will tap on this one, you will see the option, Show Recruiter and Other that you're open to work. And the second way is, tap on this option Show Recruiters you are open to work. Tap on this one, Get Started, and add your job title, also to location, and then scroll it down and here is the option. All LinkedIn members or recruiters only tap on this one, so when you will tap on this option. Recruiters only, you can work with the recruiters. So with this way, you can turn on to work with recruiters on LinkedIn. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and see you in the next with your Artificial Professor.